Hello guys, I am with my friend Thibaut. Okay, seriously, in this video we will talk about how you must do a squat and how not to do a squat. So, good videos.
We will learn the squat movement. This movement is like a sitting down. First of all, take the bar and put it in your trapezius. Keep your chest high and bright and your spine in a neutral position. You must fix your shoulders back and keep your head straight. Spread your feet shoulders width apart and put your weight on your ears. Always keep your feet firmly on the ground. During the movement, you must keep your body well contracted at all times. To do this, you have to contract your abdominals. To get down, bend your knees and bring your buttocks back until you reach the parallel. The parallel which corresponds to an angle of 90 degrees. You have to force yourself to bring your knees outward. During this descent, you must control the speed well so as not to hurt yourself. Then you have to push on legs to be able to raise the bar. Be careful the alignment of buttocks, shoulders and head must be respected. Now you can set the bar.
There are four main mistakes that practitioners make during the squat. The first big problem is knees that pull inwards. It's a big problem because this error can afflict a big pain in the long term. Moreover, this error make exercise much less effective, and this affects your strength and damage your joints and ligaments of your knees, causing serious problems. The second big problem is leaning too far forward. So, doing squat by leaning forward is particularly ineffective. This problem is often to do a poor mobility, poor flexibility of the practitioner. So it's important to make exercise during the warm-up, for example, for have a good mobility on the ankles, on the shoulders, lumbar, and hips. And the warm-up is not to neglect for this. Walking the back can be another exercise. We call good morning. Is that the extension of the back with the bar. So just like this. The third problem is raise your heels. So if your heels do not touch the ground, the floor when you squat, your movement will be unstable, and this will create tension in your knees by tilting your waist forward. So it's imperative to transfer your waist to your heels. The fourth problem when you squat is vaulting the back. So it's important to keep your back straight and flat during the movement. If the back is arched, your spine isn't in a good position, and your intervertebral disc will be under tension. So the risk of the injuries will be increased tenfold. So it's imperative to keep your concentration for keep your spine in a neutral position or dig a little lumbar like this.